Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Subs Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken mushroom curry. It's very tasty and very delicious. And I'm going to use 1 pound chicken. It's a boneless, skinless chicken breast meat. 1 onion, organic. These are white mushroom. These are 24 ounce in the pack. I'm going to use a half of it. So I'm going to use 12 ounce. Olive oil for my tadka and the spices from my spice rack. So please check it out the description below for the ingredient list. And let's get started. I'm going to cut these mushrooms about this size. So all the mushroom I'm going to cut into small pieces like this. So once these are cut, then I'm going to wash with the cold water. So I'm not going to add any water into our chicken curry because mushroom going to retain the water. So that's going to give us a nice gravy. In case if we needed to make running gravy, we always can add water in there. But I'm going to keep it as is. So I'm going to finish cutting all these the same way. You can make a bigger pieces, but this is the small pieces is good. Because when you're going to eat it, you're going to enjoy it more. So I'll finish up the rest the same way. I got a big kudai filled with the cold water. And I have washed the mushroom, the white mushrooms. And I wash it 3 times. If you buy from store pre-washed, then you don't have to wash it. But these are organic. So they just come from the factory, the state way they get packaged. And once they get to you, then you wash it well. So this is the 3rd time I wash it. And now I'm going to take it out. I'm just going to drain the water. Once it's fully washed, I'm going to get the strainer. And I'm just going to take it out like this. Start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high and bring a fry pan. 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'm going to bring cumin, 1 teaspoon. I'll bring onion. Mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion until they become transparent. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. It's nicely brown. And now I'm going to bring 1 cup diced tomato. I'm going to mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes on a closed lid. I'll start fan and we're going to open it. Mix it well. And I'm going to bring the chicken and we're going to mix it well. And we are still cooking on high gas. Once our tadka is nicely combined, I'll bring the spices. Half teaspoon salt, garam masala half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon. We're going to bring our gas on medium. Garlic powder half teaspoon, ground ginger half teaspoon, and we're going to mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, I'll bring mushroom. Mix it well. After mixing it well, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and we're going to stir it. We are cooking on medium gas. Cooking for exactly 5 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to start fan and I'm going to open the lid. This is really important that we want it cooked on medium flame. The whole reason we don't want our chicken to get burned at the bottom, because if we cook it on high gas it will get burned. Cooking for 5 minutes on medium gas, it releases all the water content from mushroom. As you see, the mushroom has shrunk half of the size. Now we're going to bring the temperature to high. I'm going to bring half lemon juice. We're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, I'm going to bring 2 teaspoons parsley flakes and I'm going to mix it well. As I mentioned that we don't need to add any water, but if you like to make it a running gravy, you always can add it. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it on high gas for 5 minutes. Cooking on high gas for another 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the fan on and I'm going to open it. I'll bring my gas to low, which is simmered. Mix it. And if we check our chicken, it's nice Rasva chicken. And if we cut it, it's nicely cut through. The chicken is fully cooked. I'm going to cover with the lid for 5 minutes on a simmer. After 5 minutes, I'm going to dish out. Another 5 minutes cooking on a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. And I'm going to open it. I'll start fan. I'm going to get my serving platter and I'm going to take it out. This is a perfect Rasva chicken with white mushrooms. If you're a mushroom lover, you will love it. Our quick and easy chicken with white mushroom is all ready and we can sprinkle with the parsley flake. It's so easy to make. Please try it and you're going to like it. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha and tortilla, and best of all with the rice plof, and you're going to love it. If you're a mushroom lover, then you must try this dish and you're going to like it. It's super delicious, super nutritious, and I hope you're going to try it and you're going to share the results with me. If you like it, like always, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.